Hello dear students, let's check out this particular question now. In this question, an infinitely long straight conductor carries a current of 5 ampere as shown. This is the conductor PQ carrying current 5 ampere. An electron is moving with a speed of 10 to the power 5 meter per second parallel to the conductor. This is the electron which is moving with a speed of 10 to the power 5 meter per second. The perpendicular distance between the electron and the conductor is 20 centimeter, which we can write as 0.2 meter. Calculate the magnitude of force experienced by the electron at that instant. So, as this is a current carrying conductor PQ, there will be magnetic force experienced by this particular electron, and this magnetic force will be given by the expression F is equal to Q V cross B. Clear? And we can clearly see that it is a infinitely long straight conductor. So, for an infinitely long straight conductor, magnetic field at a distance r is equal to 0.2 meter is given by mu naught I over 2 pi r, where r here is equal to 0.2 meter. Now, we can clearly see that magnetic field due to this current carrying conductor and velocity vector of the electron both are perpendicular to each other. As if we talk about this particular point, at this particular point magnetic field is outside the plane of the paper perpendicularly and velocity is along x axis, therefore they are perpendicular to one another. So, this magnetic force or Lorentz force due to this magnetic field can be written as Q into V into B, and as charge on electron is equal to E, so the expression becomes EV into B, because here it would have been EVB sin theta and theta is 90 degree here. Clear? Now, we can substitute the value of magnetic field here, we will be getting EV mu naught I over 2 pi r. So, magnitude of force experience we need to calculate. So, magnitude of force experience will be equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, the value of E. V is equal to 10 to the power 5, mu naught is equal to 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. Current in the conductor is 5 ampere over 2 into pi into 0.2 meter, correct. So, from here this pi will cancel out, this will cancel out, this will be 0.8, and the final result would come out to be 8 into 10 to the power minus 20 Newton. This is the magnitude of force, and that too magnetic force experienced by the electron at the instant when its velocity is 10 to the power 5 meter per second, okay, and it is at a distance of 0.2 meter from this conductor. So, according to our calculation, option number 1 is the correct answer here. Let us verify this with our answer slide. So, option number 1 is the correct answer here, okay. I hope this particular question is clear to you. Thank you.